When people talk about classic rock, the conversation almost always circles around names like the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, or Pink Floyd. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The entire foundation of rock was built on the backs of black musicians, artists whose contributions were too often erased from the spotlight. Without Big Mama Thornton, there would be no Elvis Presley or Janis Joplin. Without Chuck Berry, the likes of John Lennon and Mick Jagger would have been left without one of their greatest muses. And without the towering presence of B.B. King, the very DNA of Led Zeppelin, Hendrix, and countless others might never have existed. B.B. King wasn't just a blues man. He was a musical architect who redefined what a guitar could do. Born in the heart of Mississippi in 1925, his story was forged in hardship. Orphaned young and left to survive by busking on street corners, King carried his guitar like a weapon against fate. By the time he landed in Memphis alongside his cousin Bukka White, he was ready to burn his name into history. Influenced by T-Bone Walker and Blind Lemon Jefferson, King didn't just play the blues. He bent it, twisted it, and electrified it. His trademark vibrato and searing string bends became the language of generations. Yet for decades, the mainstream barely noticed him. It wasn't until the Rolling Stones and other white rock bands brought him on tour that the wider world finally recognized his genius. By then, his influence was already written across the fretboards of legends. Eric Clapton, George Harrison, Jeff Beck, and Jimmy Page all pointed to King as the spark that lit their fire. When Page handed King the Polar Music Prize in 2004, he confessed how Live at the Regal had detonated like a bomb in his teenage years. He and Clapton were totally blown away by its raw, unfiltered power. Led Zeppelin, in particular, were walking testaments to King's legacy. The band's heavy riffs, psychedelic experiments, and blues-soaked anthems all traced back to King's revolutionary fusion of styles. Page's phrasing echoed King's fluidity, while Robert Plant's wails channeled the same emotional force as King's mournful guitar. Tracks like Since I've Been Loving You and Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You are practically love letters to the blues giant. And in a moment of poetic symmetry, King and Zeppelin shared the stage in 1969 at New York's Central Park, a living symbol of how one man's genius had reshaped the future of rock. Strip away the myths of rock's whitewashed history, and you find the truth. Even our heroes had heroes of their own. And in the pantheon of those giants, B.B. King stands as one of the greatest. Without him, Zeppelin's thunder might never have roared, Hendrix's flames might never have burned so brightly, and the very blueprint of rock and metal could have been lost to time. King didn't just influence rock, he was the hidden cornerstone of the genre itself, the godfather whose shadow still looms over every power chord and every screaming solo played today.